Alright, so this is Jonkershoek. Just gone up there. We're now at the Sulky. Just having a quick break. Luckily today is not too hot. And the idea is to go down over there and into Armageddon. And all the way down. Unfortunately, going to have to chill it down due to the injury in the elbow. But it's so good to being back here. What an epic, beautiful place this is. So this is a different entrance of Armageddon I've actually decided to do. It's a lot more fun, I think, and there's some quirky drops, some nice switchbacks, and it goes into a great trail. I haven't ridden for a while. I want to see what they actually have done there. Instead of going down the original Armageddon and into Iron Monkey, which is really rough this time of the year. So let's have a go. Bit of pedaling here in the beginning. Not too much. There was some slight rain last night, which is great for the trails. Just a little bit more tacky. Nice little drop over there, and I remember right after the drop you got to put in some pedal, get over that little hurdle, and then it's free flow again. I hope my rear tire stays on. It seems like there's not enough sealant in, and it's a freshie. I blame Ollie. No, not you, Bigfoot Ollie. Roger Stone Ollie. I also think I might have hit my derailleur when I crashed in George, because it's definitely not shifting as nicely as previously. Oh man, this section I don't like because there's some pedaling involved, but we'll get to the good stuff now. All right, let's go. So this is an old school trail actually. Been here for very, very long, but they've obviously enhanced it and made it a lot more fun. As you can see, it's a red. I'm going to skip out on the blacks today. I just don't want to take any chances. There's still stitches in the arm. So yeah, let's go. And in we go. Oh, nice little drop over there. Oh, out there. That first switchback, I've never found it simple, and it is actually very simple. Oh, nice. Super glad that there's not been any fires yet in Jonkershoek this summer, and I hope it stays that way. Oh man, it's been so long. Oh. All right. Here we go. I should potentially check the tire pressure again, but I know what, it feels okay. I'm not hearing anything, so I guess it's okay. Isn't that what Steve said the last time? Yeah, boy. Whee! Mr. Steve W. Yoo-wee! So the trails are obviously a lot more physical over here, as you can notice, although maybe not because it's GoPro. Right, you see that? That's a rock ride, a wall ride. Yoo-wee! Oh yeah, boy. Ah. Always fun. Obviously you want to cut that in the race run. But I'm not here for racing, man. Woo! It's fun this time. Alright, so that's another section done. Quick little breather, and let's continue. Yeah. Call me old. Call me whatever you wanna. Woo-wee! Right. See some rock gardens. Oof. There we go. And over here, slab roll. Oh, yeah, boy. It's a bit shaky on the old stitches, but yeah, it's good, it's good. Now, if I remember right, this might go into a jump line, and I'm not going to do that today. Done it a lot. It's really great. I enjoyed it, but not today. Woo-wee! So flowy. Zululand. Ayo. So I could have gone straight, but I'm just gonna quickly go through here. I'm just gonna stop right here and adjust my brake lever reach. Okay, and here we go. Just wanted my reach a little bit better. Let's have a look. It's been a while since I've gone and crashed again. Now I know I can go faster in these corners. Shut your mouth, you losers. But I'm not gonna do it today. Okay? Okay? Today I look after myself. Here we go. Oh. Just a little, whatever you call it, lipsy lips. The tire feels okay, I checked it now. There's no Steve W stuff going on in there. Right. Oh wow, there's actually wind today, so I wasn't expecting some wind, but I mean, you know, I've got a farm gate that weighs like 50 ton, so I doubt it's going anywhere in the air, not today. That's what you call a slow man jump. It's when you don't have enough speed, so you jump it from the lip onto the chicken line. Oh, a bug in the mouth. Right, last little bit, but I'm gonna say goodbye now, because this last little bit is boring, unless they changed it. Well, it's nothing spectacular. A lot more grip than I'm used to, but it's proper hard pack, so like you feel it. Now if I remember right, yeah, there's the, oh my hat, that thing has gotten so small. It used to be a proper river gap, and now with all the erosion it's just nothing. Right, wish I could show you more of Jonkershoek, wish I could show you the blacks, but unfortunately not today.